Today, we are making ube ice cream. Hi, I'm Enzo. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are making ube ice cream. It's going to be purple. What is ube? Ube is a purple yam originally from the Philippines. It has a sweet, slightly nutty vanilla taste, but more mellow than a sweet potato. It is popularly used in desserts in the Filipino cuisine. Today, you will be needing the following ingredients: 500 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, 300 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk, 20 milliliters of ube extract, and this is optional, 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of ube powder. First, we are going to pour the cream into the bowl, then whip it until it has stiff peaks. And make sure your cream is cold. Then you have to hand mix your cream. Looks creamy. It now has stiff peaks. Now you're going to pour in the sweetened condensed milk. Ooh, that looks creamy. We're going to mix it and whip it together. We're going to add the ube extract. Smells good. Then, this is optional, we're going to add ube powder for extra flavor and texture. Take a spatula and mix it until it's well combined. Looks purple already. We are going to put all the ice cream in here. Or should I say ube cream, because it's not frozen. This is going to turn into ice cream. Ladle. Now we are going to cover it up with plastic so it'll stay nice and soft and prevent freezer burn. We're going to put it in the freezer for minimum 6 hours, but it's best overnight. Now that it is perfectly frozen, and we are ready to scoop some ice cream. Look at that beautiful purple color. Let's give it a taste. Tastes amazing. Ube ice cream is really good. I hope you give it a try. Shout out to my math teacher.